January 27th.
In 1945, the Soviet Army reached Auschwitz and liberated the remaining 7,600 prisoners who had survived the Holocaust there. In 1967, a flash fire burst out in the Apollo 1 spacecraft, killing astronauts Gus Grissom, Edward White, and Roger Chaffee during a test. It was the end of the line for the telegram. Western Union delivered the last one on this day in 2006. And on this day in 1888, the National Geographic Society was formed. 33 well-traveled men assumed that sharing their experience of the world would benefit mankind. They had trouble getting their message out until they published a magazine. And once they incorporated photos, armchair travelers sat up and took notice. And that's this day in history.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Isaiah.
And Anastasia.
Bringing you homework announcements
on WDMS News.
Today is Monday, January 27th, A Day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance to the DMS Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated.
And now for the math question of the day. What does absolute value mean? Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it. And now for the word of the day.
The word of the day is diminish. The availability of fossil fuels will diminish over time. Again, the word of the day is diminish.
Now let's get checking the weather from Jasper.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Esteen. The atomic number is 85, the atomic weight is 210, and the symbol is AT. Now for the weather. Today is going to have spotty rain or snow shower, possibly this morning. Mostly cloudy, temps in the mid to upper 30s by 12 o'clock, then turning gusty and cold this afternoon. And back to you guys.
Thanks, Jasper.
Want to run a pizza party for your homeroom? Collect as many box tops as possible on a collection sheet. Once filled up, turn your collection sheets into your homeroom teacher. The homeroom with the highest percentage of box tops will earn a pizza party. The contest will go from February 21st. And now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Anastasia with a few words of wisdom. Being educated means different things to different people. Listen to the words of Norman Cousins, American writer. Respect for the importance of an individual's life is still the mark of an educated man. When we show no respect for the lives of others, when we are hateful or harmful to others, are we acting with intelligence and wisdom, or are we acting out of ignorance? What do you think? German white writer and philosopher Goethe says, "Nothing is more terrible than ignorance in action." Violent crimes, drug addiction, terrorism. Do these things show respect for the individual life, or does it show ignorance in action? Today, remember this. You can help fight this crime, violence, and ignorance by simply getting the best education possible. With something to think about is Anastasia May. Great day or not, the choice is yours.
And now this Mr. Parrish.
Morning, Dundalk Middle School. Hopefully everyone had a restful, relaxing, and safe weekend with family and friends. I want to remind all students to encourage your parents to come out to our school improvement team parent advisory board meeting tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock in our conference room. It's a great opportunity for your parents to have input on the initiatives that we're doing to make Dundalk Middle School move from a good school to a great school, and also look at our planning for the upcoming school year. Again, students, please encourage your parents to come out and be part of our school improvement team meeting, which will meet tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock in the conference room. I also want to encourage all of our students to come out and, again, as the famous quote we always are saying, don't hide your owl pride. Come out tomorrow evening to watch the boys and girls play a basketball game against Pine Grove Middle School. Again, tomorrow, Pine Grove comes to Dundalk Middle School, and we want to have all the students come out to support our great teams and also show great sportsmanship. As we continue on the second week of the third quarter, I want all students to focus on setting goals with high expectation for yourself. Every student in this building has the opportunity and ability to earn honor roll status. The question is, do you have the desire? Also, it begins with these factors, or these ingredients for success. You need to be coming to school and demonstrating excellent attendance. You need to come to school with a positive attitude, and you need to be willing and able to apply yourself. And as part of Team DMS, we will do whatever it takes to make sure you are prepared to be a globally competitive graduate. And what that means is when you go up for a job against other people in the world, you will be the ones to get the job of your choice. So let's make it a great day, DMS, and we'll do whatever it takes to make sure you reach your potential. Thank you.
This is Isaiah.
Anastasia.
Reminding you to stay classy at Dundalk Middle School. Happy Monday.